Hello, English learners. Welcome to another lesson on Everyday English. This is comprehensible input. What is comprehensible input? It is a great way to learn a new language. You look at words and you listen to them. You understand everything. You learn English naturally, without a lot of effort. Today, we will talk about hobbies. We will learn the names of many things we like to do. Please look and listen very carefully. Let's start our new lesson. A hobby is something we do for fun. I like to do many things. I like to play sports. I play soccer with my friends. We run fast. I have fun playing soccer. I like to ride a bicycle. I ride my bicycle in the park. I am fast on my bicycle. I like to run. I run in the morning. Running is good for me. I like to cook. I cook food in the kitchen. I cook pasta and pizza. My family eats my food. I like to garden. I put a seed in the ground. The seed grows. I have a big plant. I like to go for a walk. I walk with my dog. We go to the park. I also have quiet hobbies. I like to read. I read a book. A book has a story. I read a story. I like to draw. I draw on a piece of paper. I draw a dog. I draw a cat. My drawing is good. I like to listen to music. I listen to music on my headphones. Music is good for me. I am happy when I listen to music. I like to watch movies. I watch a movie on the TV. The movie is funny. I laugh. We have many hobbies. We can play sports. We can ride a bicycle. We can run. We can cook. We can garden. We can walk. We can read. We can draw. We can listen to music. We can watch movies. All these things are hobbies. They are fun to do. Thank you for learning about hobbies with me. That was a great lesson about hobbies. We hope you enjoyed it and learned many new words. Remember, listening to English is a fantastic way to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our lessons. If you liked this video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to Everyday English for more great lessons, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for learning with us, and we will see you in the next video.